If you use Zoho Books to manage your business, you already know how important it is to keep your sales and inventory organized. And one of the most essential documents in that process is the delivery note. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a delivery note in Zoho Books step by step in the interface. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through everything clearly and simply. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Zoho Books website. On the top right corner, you'll find the sign in button, click it. And now log in using your email and password. If you prefer a quicker method, you can also choose sign in with Google. And if you've forgotten your password, don't worry, just use the password reset option and Zoho will send you a reset link to your email. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Zoho Books dashboard. This is your central control panel. From here, you can manage everything: sales, purchases, banking, reports, and more. But today, we're focusing specifically on creating a delivery note. On the left-hand navigation menu, click on Sales. Inside the Sales section, you'll see a list of all related features. Look for Delivery Notes. This is the section where you can track goods that are being dispatched to your customers. Go ahead and click on it. Now it's time to actually create the document. At the top right, click Create Delivery Note. A new form will open, and this is where you fill out the important details. Start by selecting your customer name, then add the delivery date, any reference numbers, and of course, the item details, including quantities being delivered. Make sure every item is accurate so your records stay clean and your customer gets the correct information. Before finalizing anything, take a moment to double check every field. Verifying the delivery date, quantities, and references helps prevent misunderstandings, delays, and disputes later on. Once everything looks perfect, click Save. And that's it. Your delivery note has been successfully created in Zoho Books. And there you go. Creating a delivery note in Zoho Books is quick, simple, and keeps your inventory workflow running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.